In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete search history on YouTube app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up on YouTube application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into your account. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile photo. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access various options related with settings over here. In the account section, you'll be able to find the option for general, switch account, family center, notifications, etc. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for manage all history. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the history interface. You'll be able to see all of your YouTube history over here. So if you have searched for something, you can see over here, you'll also be able to see that particular activity. So if you want to delete one particular search, what you have to do is simply tap on the cross icon that you can see right over here, right next to that particular search. Now you can see over here it will be deleted. If you want to delete the overall search history, for that you'll have to delete all the YouTube history. In order to do that, what you have to do is tap on the delete option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find the options like delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. If you tap on the option delete today, all of the history of today will be deleted. If you tap on the option delete custom range, you'll be able to select the date. If you want to delete the overall search history and overall history, for that what you have to do is tap on this option delete all time. Now you'll have to confirm you would like to delete the following activities. Simply tap on this option delete. Now you can see over here the deletion has been completed. Now all of your search history will be deleted. So that is how you delete search history on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.